Hey guys, today's topic of the video is going to be about an important and enigmatic topic, which is in composition writing, which is how to write a good essay. In this video, we will be covering the main topics, which is what is an essay, the definition of essay, what are the types of essays, and steps for writing a good essays and eye-catching essays. But before starting, I will suggest you to subscribe to my channel so that you can get all the literary related videos. Also follow me on Instagram so that you can get all the literary updates from there. So starting from the introduction of essay, what is an essay? An essay is a piece of writing which is composed to inform about some subject matter. Essay is always a subject oriented thing, a subject oriented writing. Piece of writing. Essays are also written to persuade someone about something. So essays are written to convince you about something, to know you about something. There are four categories of essays. First is argumentative essay. In this essay, the arguments are given about something, about a particular thing. One is expository. In this type, we use exposition, and in this expository writing, we use descriptive essays, process essays, comparison essays, cause and effect essays, and problem solution essays. So next is narrative essay. As the name shows, it shows narration. Last is descriptive. It is about something. It is describing something. So this essay is about description of about some topic. So what is argumentative essay in detail? In this class of essays, there is a presentation of an argument throughout the essay. A writer writes about his ideas in the essay, such as the good and bad side of artificial intelligence, etc. The argument of the writer must be research based or evidence based. Next is expository essays. If you have a compact knowledge about a certain topic, then you can write expository essays. We have to write facts and historical background about a certain topic, such as the invention of telephone and the printing press or the discovery of America. Next is descriptive essays. What are descriptive essays? For example, you went to a New Year party for the first time, and how was your experience about that? So descriptive essays are those kind of essays which demand your feelings, ideas, emotions about a certain topic. So you are describing about this particular topic, your emotions. So last is narrative essays. Narrative essays are the kinds of essays in which you have to tell and describe or narrate your story. What's your story? What you have to tell, what you have to describe, or what you have to narrate about a topic. So you have to be a creative in narrative essays. You need not to bound to facts and evidences. You can create or mold narration according to your taste. So moving towards what are the steps for writing a good essay. First is strategy. Next is plans. Next is analyzing the question. Then is to generate ideas. Then choosing topics, putting topics in order, arrange your evidence, make necessary changes, finalize in an essay plan, relevance and examples. So starting with the first point, which is strategy. Strategy is actually the plan and structure on which you create your idea about a certain topic. Next is plan. Plans are shaping and reshaping of your ideas before you start writing, editing or rearranging your arguments. So that's a plan. What is analyzing the question is an important part. Analyzing the question is an important part of essay writing. It is the part in which you understand the question asked about a certain topic. If you analyze the question totally, it is easy to generate ideas about the topic asked in the question, about a topic of the essays, about which you are going to write. Next is to generate ideas. Generation of ideas. While you write an essay, you have to generate ideas when you are writing an essay. It is a basic step of writing an essay. Your observations, previous knowledge, critical thinking, and ideas help this step to complete very much. Next is choosing a topic. Choosing topic is a part of essay writing in which you bring out each and every information and ideas related to question or topic asked. You online write the ideas which are relevant to the topic on a rough sheet of paper. So, what is putting ideas in order? Putting ideas in order after you write them somewhere on a rough sheet of paper, then arrange and rearrange them and enlist them in order according to the topic asked. This step brings coherence and logical sequence to the essay. Next is arrange your evidences, references, factual data or on a rough sheet of paper. Make sure that these are authentic to support your claim. There should not be beating about the bushes. You have to be concise, be referral, and be choosy towards the topic. So next is make necessary changes while you are writing the essay. Rearrange it again and again. Keep an eye on the errors and datas and points. Next is to finalize an essay plan with structure containing an introduction, then an argument and conclusion. Start with an introduction and make it height up to an argument and make a conclusion out of that argument. Write an essay in paragraph, and each paragraph should contain around 100 to 200 words minimum in length. Next is relevance. Relevance is the most important thing you should keep in mind while you are writing an essay. Being relevant, you stick to the topic. Do not deviate from the topic. That's the core of writing an essay. What are next is and last is example. Example must be given to support your claim, and it makes your point, your essays clear and objective. Some people do not understand what the sentence is written about, but you explain them with your claims and evidences and examples. It becomes clear and to them, clear and concise to them. So I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope you would like or dislike this video. Also comment in the comment box of further inquiry, and also subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Thank you.